Dance, beautiful people. My beautiful people, come with me. Get ready with me. In this video, I'm going to show you, okay, how I go from looking like this. Yes, y'all, my hair looks like a hot mess to looking like that. Yeah, you want to find out? All right, stay tuned. So my beautiful people, stay tuned to the whole video, y'all. As you guys know, my friends, I've been learning how to do the whole pixie style, okay? I go from wearing wigs, okay, for the last 15 plus years. All I've been doing was my wigs, and now here I am doing my pixie. Okay, I'm learning. I've been watching videos on YouTube, y'all. So like I said, YouTube, you could learn how to be a surgeon by watching YouTube. So here I am right here, okay? First, I just conditioned and washed my hair, okay? The hair has just been conditioned and washed. I'm not sure if you could tell that it's wet, but yes, I think we could tell it's wet, right? So y'all, I'm just like, oh my God, what do I do? Cause I have literally I have like an hour and a half, okay, to get ready, to get my hair done, to get my makeup, to get dressed, and to be out the window, okay, because I had a place to be at, okay. So yes, y'all, yeah. So anyhow, so first, here you go. So after I wash, condition the hair, I'm just parting it right here. Okay, so right here, I am parting the hair. Now, for anybody out here who have a pixie do, all right, who has short hair, and you want to give me some tips, some advice, I am open to it. You know, some products. Anybody out here, if you're watching this video and you are like a small business owner, you are a business owner and you have a product, and you'd like me to use it and to make videos about it, okay, hit me up. Let's be partners, okay? But that being said, so as you can see right here, I am just trying to part the hair, okay? I am parting the hair. I'm trying to make sure that I get the right part. My little mirror here, my little three-way mirror is, you know, godsend. It really helps me out. So yes, so this is what I'm doing. I am just, you know, parting the hair, trying to make sure that it is exactly how I want it to look like, you know, and what side I want it to be at. Because sometimes I use the left, I flip my hair on the right side, or some other times I could flip it on the right side, you know, just kind of trying to make the hair into my own special unique style. Okay, so after I part the hair to my liking, I use a foam. Okay, nothing particular. I just went to CVS and grabbed a foam. On this one, I believe has some aloe in it to keep your hair nicely and moisturized. So yes, y'all, like I said, this is new to me, but I'm loving it. I'm loving this new hair adventure, okay, of how to do your hair. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just foaming it down. This is what's gonna give it the shape. Okay, this is what's gonna give your hair shape, and also the uniqueness, the unique style that you need it to be. Okay, so yes, y'all, so I put a nice generous amount. Okay, so we need to put a nice generous amount of it, and just part the hair, and just, you know, put the hair on the side that you want it to be. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just making sure that everything is laid down nicely. Okay, as you can see. Now, once everything is laid down nicely, the other thing that I have problems with, y'all, is doing the paper wrap. And you will see shortly, okay, doing the paper wrap. And also I am learning how to do the little swoop thing on the side. Okay, so come along with me, y'all. It's not hard. Okay, nothing is hard in life if you are determined. Okay, so I'm determined. I just wanted to kind of give my edges. See the edges. You gotta give your edges a style, and whatever style you give your edges, that's how it's gonna stay once you are done once you're done drying the hair. Okay, so I just wanted to give it, you know, a little chic little style on the sides. Okay, just making sure my edges are laid all right and looking good. All right, but take your time with this. I wish I had more time, because I could have done a different style and like play around with it more. But like I said, time was against me, and so I didn't have the luxury to do many different, to play around with it. So I just kind of kept it simple, okay. And you could do the same thing too. And you're gonna see. Just stay tuned. You're gonna see how it turns out. Okay. So yeah, so this is the back. See, everything is nicely laid, okay? And so once that's done to my satisfaction, now I do the wrap. This is what I was talking to you guys about. Oh my goodness. It is easier when you go to the hair salon, okay? When you go to the hair salon, it's easier done. So you're gonna see, I wasn't sure exactly how to do it. Like I wasn't sure if I needed to, tie it to the back, or if I just needed to kind of, glide it. You'll see what I mean. Just watch. You see, I wasn't sure which where to go with it. I was like, okay. Anyhow, just do it. Okay, just do it. Because the more I do my hair, I know for a fact, the easier it's going to become. Like everything in the beginning, it's a lot harder. And I'm so glad that I'm making this beginner friendly video so that you guys can see I am beginning. Like I'm a beginner just like you too. If I can do it, if I can do this, you can do it too, okay? Because girl, girl, you know me. I am here to save you money, okay? I am here to save you money so that you don't have to go to the hair salon every week, because they be charging like $100 just to just to style your hair, okay? And why not just watch a YouTube video and do it by yourself in the convenience of your own home? That's what I'm saying, okay? That's what I'm here for. I am all here for that. Okay, so once I figure it all out, okay, it took me 3 wraps to wrap it 3 times. But I'm hoping to only use 2 next time, okay? But hey, I had to use 3 this time, which is all good, okay? So yes, so once we wrap it up nicely, let's see, then I'm gonna do my makeup, okay? So stay tuned. It's all wrapped up, okay? I'm gonna go blow dry it. Yes, yes, yes. After you wrap it up, okay, nicely, the third step is to blow dry your hair. Here I am, okay? I am blow drying my hair. I'm sitting under the blow dryer as I do my makeup because, like I said, I don't have time. So I sat under this blow dryer for about 30 minutes, okay? 30 minutes. And yes, yes, she is a girly girl. Yes, yes. I love the color pink. And what? So anyhow, so yeah, I sat there. I'm, blow drying my hair as I do my makeup, okay? So when I come back, you will see my makeup all done. Yep, yes, we know, Dawn. We know you don't have time. You don't have time. So yeah, so this is just all fun. Okay, it's all fun. Trying to make sure that the dryer is where I want it to be as I do my makeup. Ta-da! Yes, and here she is, dressed, my makeup. And now the fun part begins, y'all. You ready for the fun part? The fun part is where we unravel the hair. Yeah, when we see after the hair is dry, and then we see kind of what is going on, how it looks like, and we try to mold it and style it. Okay, so right now we're about to style the hair. Okay, so what do you think? See how everything is nicely straightened, nicely, just nice and flat. So here I go with my little 3-way mirror, just making sure that I could see the back. Okay, see the side, y'all. How everything's all nicely molded, and see the back. Yay, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Okay. So I'm just gonna show you guys like how I just use your comb. Okay, just you use your comb to kind of unravel it. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on that side. All right, I'm just taking off some pieces. Okay, some long strands
making sure that everything is the way that I want it to look, because I'm about to curl the hair. Now, if you don't want to curl your hair at this point you are basically good. You know what I'm saying? Like you could just, go just brush the sides, okay? And then go. But me, I wanted some curls, okay? So that's why I'm taking the extra step the extra step of putting some curls, okay? Yes, you guys. So take your time. Take your time. Just make sure that the hair is laid exactly how you want it to be laid. Okay. See how this is already cute. Like I said, it's already cute. But I wanted some curls. So here are my curling irons. Well, one is the pencil flat iron. Okay, this is my first time using this little. It's called a pencil iron. Okay, a pencil flat iron is my first time using it. So I was a bit nervous, but it's for short. It's for very short hair. Okay, and you're gonna see, y'all, I just I go back and forth. I'm looking at this like, oh my god, what do I do? But I'm more comfortable with my regular curling iron, with the regular size one. And this portion of my hair, this part is long enough so that I could use the regular curling iron, which is what I did. Yes, my beautiful people. So we are just going around the head, flat ironing and kind of, well, curling. Okay, using the curling iron, just kind of curling the hair to our liking. Okay, to our liking. We are just coloring it to our liking. All right. Now, also, if you, my beautiful people, okay, if you like this shirt that I'm wearing, okay, comment in the video. If you like the shirt that I'm wearing, let me know so that I could send you the link. Okay, I will send you the link to the shirt that I have on. Okay, and then you could get yourself one too. Okay, so just comment, send me like your go under, I actually, even better, go under my Instagram page, okay, my Instagram page, and DM me and I will send you the link to my shirt. Okay, so if you like this shirt, if you want to have, they come in different colors. I'm sure you guys saw this other video that I had where I had the red one. Okay, so there's like red, green, black, I think there's like yellow, there's white probably, but there's different colors. So send me, DM me. Okay, go to my Instagram channel. Okay, my Instagram at Duns Beautiful People, all one word. DM me and I will send you the link to this shirt. Okay, if you like it, if you want one, just one like that, because I really love this shirt. It's very nice and classy and also sexy at the same time. All right, but that being said, let's get back to the hair. So yes, I'm just curling the hair, as you can see. Okay, I'm just making it my own. All right, making the pixie, just making that it looks just like I want it to look. So I think my hairstyle, okay, my cut, it's like a medium length. Yeah, this is a medium length pixie. I know some other people have it like really, 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 really short, but I wanted it so that it can fall onto my forehead. Okay, this is how I wanted mine to look like. So if you guys have your pixie cut, your pixie like a medium length, like this, follow, like, subscribe, let me know your thoughts. Okay, so this little side right there, guys, it was not dry thoroughly, so that's why I'm kind of drying it first. I had to dry it because when I was under the dryer, it just did not dry properly, because I guess because I was doing my makeup. But that's okay. And also, I'm in a rush to leave. So we are almost done, just kind of doing some final touch, just final curling the hair, just making it look like, just how we want it to look. And stay tuned towards the end where I'm going to show you some pictures. Yes. Oh, and this little part right here, this is actually fun. Look how you could curl short here using the little pencil. Okay, so you have to kind of lift up the hair like I did, you see, and I'm just trying to find my, I guess I'm trying to turn it on. Yo, you should have seen my sink. My sink had like 100 different like products and tools, and there was comb and everything was all around. Oh my god. I just had to do this and leave, y'all. But see how nice that was? Yes, that is just for and then of course once you're done with your curls, I use a leave-in conditioner. Okay, I use a leave-in conditioner. Like I said, if there's some business owners who's watching this video and you'd like me to try your products, let me know. Let's partner together. All right, y'all. So here I go. I did that. Um, Kind of making sure everything is laid down and everything, especially my edges, the back. And with my wide tooth comb, I'm just going to gently, oops, a little piece got caught. I'm just gently combing the hair out, okay? Combing everything out. Isn't this cute? Did you guys rewind to see the very beginning? Actually, I'm gonna put a picture so you guys can see where I came from, okay, to this. Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself, y'all. If I can do this, you can do that too. Yo, I had to ditch the wig. No more wigs, y'all. I don't know. Well, maybe I will wear a wig, but not anytime soon. Look at this. Look at the back. The back is laid. Your sister girl is loving it. Okay, I did a good job, y'all. For somebody who's not a professional, for somebody who I just literally got this haircut maybe like 2 weeks ago, and I did well. I am proud of myself. And you guys follow, subscribe, watch my videos because I want you guys to learn. Okay, learn from me. We are gonna be learning together. First it was my wigs and now this. Okay, yay, yay, girl. She is feeling herself. She is ready to go and have fun. And look, guys, I'm wearing earrings. I usually never wear earrings. And now I have to buy earrings, y'all. I need to go and buy some more earrings because my wigs used to hide my ears. And now look at me, I'm wearing earrings again. Who'd have thought? Anyhow, y'all, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you have any questions in regards to this video, in regards to how I, comb my hair. You saw the whole process from beginning to end. Yeah, she is ready to go out, okay, and enjoy herself. Y'all, we have one life to live, okay? Enjoy yourself. My single ladies out there, okay? Even if you don't have a date, okay? Grab yourself a couple of girls, okay? Grab yourself some girls and you go and do your thing. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Yes, look at there. Look at her. Yes, look at her. Look at her. Yes. Yes, y'all. Let me know your thoughts. Yes. Thank you. Yes, girl, you did that. I just can't get enough of my new haircut, y'all. I can't get enough of it. Yes, that's right, girl. That's why you are in the bathroom and selfie. Selfie. Ooh, a good selfie bathroom is like nothing else. See you in the next video. Love you with the love of Jesus Christ. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe.